Use FC01 to repair True Tone of 8:15 p.m. without original screen. Operation Guide. Models above 11 Pro need to be unbound by flashing. Precautions. 1. There is written times limit on the display MTSN of 13 Pro/PM, 14 Pro/PM, 15 Pro/PM, commonly 3 to 5 times. If the writing times exceeded, it may cause screen damage. 2. 14 p.m. screen falls into Samsung and LG screens. If the original screen is Samsung screen, it can't be replaced with LG screen. Because the motherboard of mobile phone cannot recognize the screens of the two manufacturers, and vice versa. 3. Buckling receiver FPC is necessary for True Tone test, and the ambient light code needs to match with the original. 1. Unbind by flashing. Connect mobile phone to computer and click Trust on it.
In the interface of iVice on the platform,
click Flash Unbind. Make sure that the data is backed up. Make sure that the iCloud account of the phone is logged out. Click Auto Flash Unbind. It displays, flashing and unbind has been completed. The phone is in recovery mode currently. Need to flash with the third-party platform, 3U-Tools iTunes. 2. Repair True Tone. Choose the adapter that matches with the phone and screen model. Buckle it on FC01 programmer. Connect the device to the computer. Connect mobile phone to the computer. Click Trust on the mobile phone. Buckle the new screen on the corresponding socket. Open the platform on the computer. After connecting with the device, it will jump to the True Tone repair interface automatically. Click True Tone. After selecting the data, click
Repair True Tone.
Wait for data writing to be finished. 3. Install and check. Install the screen with well-written data. There is True Tone display. Repair is successful.